Does your phone screen feel way too bright at night, leaving your eyes feeling tired or strained? Samsung has a built-in feature called Eye Comfort Shield that automatically adjusts your screen's color temperature to be warmer, saving your eyes. I'll show you how to turn it on in under 30 seconds. The fastest way is right through your notification shade. Swipe down twice to reveal the full quit panel. Look for the Samsung Eye Comfort Shield icon. Just tap it, and it's enabled instantly. Want to customize it? Tap and hold the icon in the quick panel to jump straight to settings. Alternatively, go to Settings, then Display, then Eye Comfort Shield. Here you can choose Adaptive to let your phone adjust the color temperature automatically throughout the day, or select Custom to set a schedule and intensity that works best for your eyes. That's it. Now, your phone won't be quite so harsh on your eyes when you're scrolling in the evening. If this helped you reduce eye strain, hit that like button and subscribe for more quick Samsung tutorials. Got another setting you can't find? Drop it in the comments below.